Dad, there's something I need to tell you. I'm voting Plaid. I've known for years that other parties don't turn me on. I've pretended to be Labour to try and fit in, but this time I've got to be honest and vote for the candidate that'll stand up for me. There's all this talk about English votes for English laws, extra powers for Scotland and Northern Ireland. But what about Wales? We deserve a fair deal, and that'll only happen if Plaid, the party of Wales, are in Westminster fighting for us. I'm happy. Proud. Proud that I'm voting for a party that puts Wales first. Always.
As you know, there's been a lot of talk in the office lately about the future. Revenues, cutbacks, and there's something I need to tell you. I'm voting Plaid. The only way we're going to sort ourselves out is by creating more jobs. And to do that, we've got to get our businesses growing. Plaid wants to cut business rates completely for small companies like ours and make sure that Welsh public contracts go to Welsh businesses. Plaid are serious when it comes to business because they know the success of our communities depends on us having a strong local economy. Plaid means business.
Nan, there's something I need to tell you. I've been wanting to get one done for ages, and now I finally plucked up the courage to do it. People say there's more work around, but I don't see it. Plaid want to create jobs for young people and increase the minimum wage to one people can actually live on. They got solid ideas to get Wales working again, and that's what we need right now, not more cuts. When the dust settles after the election, I want to know there's someone in the House of Commons speaking up for us. And I know the only candidate that'll really do that is Plaid, the Party of Wales.
Have you ever thought about backing the Party of Wales? Why not make 2015 the year that you do it? Plaid Cymru, the only party standing up for Wales.